In this video, I'm going to show you how to block friends on Epic Games quickly and easily. Whether you want to remove someone from your friends list, stop them from messaging you, or just keep your Epic Games account more private, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple gaming guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Epic Games launcher on your PC. Once the launcher is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the friends icon there. Click that icon to open your friends list. This is where you'll find everyone connected to your Epic Games account. Now, scroll through your friends list or use the search bar if you already know the name of the person you want to block. Searching is the fastest way if your list is long. Once you locate the person, click on their name to open their profile options. After selecting their name, look for the More Options button. Click it, and you'll see a list of actions you can take. From that menu, choose Block. This will block the user and prevent further interaction through your Epic Games friends list. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've learned how to block friends on Epic Games and manage your account more comfortably. If you ever want to make changes later, you can always go back into your friends list and review your settings. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next gaming tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.